Hi guys, this is gonna be my first video where I don't know, express my excess energy or something. I don't know, I just feel like I need to sing, and I don't know any other place where I can do it, so I'm gonna do it here. And by the way, I wanna say hello to my friend who's also doing YouTube videos and singing, so I'm gonna sing Tori Amos Got a Light Sneeze while she's playing in the background because I need to hear the music. So I hope you will enjoy, so comment, laugh or whatever. I hope you will enjoy my crappy voice. Yeah. Caught a light sneeze, caught a light breeze, caught a light weight, lightning seed. Boys on my left side, boys on my right side, boys in the middle, and you're not here. Do 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 do. I need a big loan from a girl's own building, tumbling down. Didn't know our love was so small, couldn't stand it out. Mr. St. John, just bring your son. This fire is hot and my cells can't feel, and you still got that bell dragging your foot. Yes, I'm hiding it well, Sister Ernestine, but you still got that bell dragging my foot. Yes, building tumbling down. Didn't know our love was so small, couldn't stand it out. Mr. St. John, just bring your son. Right on time. You get closer, call my name. It's no way he used to think. Rent your wife and kids today, and maybe she will. I said maybe she will. Got a light sneeze, dreamed a little dream, make my own pretty hate machine. Boys on my left side, boys on my right side, boys in the middle, and you're not here. Boys in their dresses, and you're not here. I need a big loan from a girl's own. I need a big loan from a girl's own building, tumbling down. Didn't know our love was so couldn't stand it out. Mr. St. John, just bring your son. Oh my god, I thank god that I have a camera, cause, you know, I can... this just felt too good to be true. So my name is whatever, you don't need to know. I don't know what else to say for my first vlog, crap shit video, you know, where I like, you know, make a fool out of myself. Yeah, I think I will make videos, you know, it just comes with a feeling when I need, to make it, and I've been wanting to make one for a long time, cause my friend inspired me, well, he gave me the inspiration to, make one, so, yeah, I thank him a lot for that, and actually, I thank the, world, for his existence. Okay, have fun, YouTube, and I hope you enjoy my, you know, psychosis. Bye bye.